Got the oil change, running good now. I put a kill switch on it today. Well, the other day, this wire, hooked it up down there. And now turn off my engine. Now I can turn off my engine. Got the kill wire right here. Just plugged. Found this wire laying on my garage. Hooked it up in there. This is another. It's actual connector. I just had to put tape around it and then tape right there. You know. Well, that's. Yep. Yep, running good. Bent the exhaust over today. Because it used to be, the exhaust used to be further towards the fender wheel. And it was rubbing the tire, and that's why it's bent. Well, I beat it with the hammer to make it, not rub the tire, and it still did, so. Today I bent it over. Something I've been needing to do for a while. Well, I'm gonna let it warm back. I'm gonna let it run. Just done an oil change on it. Oh, there's the new shifter. It's from MTD. I like it. Oh, let's get you a little video of it. Sits up a lot higher than the stock one. Because the stock one used to go down to there. And I like it a lot. Then I used that trailer over there and that mower. And pulled this baby home. Yep. Yep, pulled it home. Been working on it for 2 days. Already got the fender all sanded up. Took all the stickers off of it. Put white letters on the tires and a white around the bead. Yep, it's gonna be like a racer. Put a new seat on it. There's a lot of the junk that I took out of it. Battery box, rusted to crap. See, I gotta get new wires and seat, screw bag. Put a gas pedal on it today. Well, you can't really see it. I put an engine, also put an engine on it. Another 12 horsepower, power built. This motor originally was on that one, but I don't even know why. I took it off because I like that motor better because it's older. See, it's got the F in on with the 7-speed. Yep. I don't know how well this will work pulley swapping. I've looked it up on YouTube. I've seen that it works quite well. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.